All right, you guys, welcome back. So we are going to jump into a really important topic, and it is the basically how long an item can remain on a person's credit report. And we've created a nice little visual aid for you. But this is what in the legal system they call the statutes of limitations on credit reporting, and it's essentially how long items can stay on. So let's talk about it. Collection account, if you notice over here, that is 180 days. So in other words, how long it took to get to that stage, and then 7 years is how long it can remain from the point in which it goes to the collection standpoint. Now, this is also important to mention, which is Chapter 7 bankruptcy. That's 10 years. And Chapter 13 bankruptcy is 7 years, but it's after the repayment plan ends. This is all really important information that you're going to want to retain because it's going to differ actually of the time clock for how long it's going to remain on your report versus what we're going to talk about in a second, which is the debt time clock. And this has to do with how long parties have to initiate legal proceedings against each other in the event they want to sue for collection of the debt. So we're going to get into that in a second. But this one is how long it can remain, and it is called the credit time clock. And check it out underneath. It'll be in the notes section. That was a lot to say.